Introduction to Saramali Tools. Today we are going to introduce you to Diesel Injection Cleaning Tool, a high-performance solution engineered for professional mechanics who demand efficiency, precision, and results. Diesel engines develop carbon deposits and contaminants in the injectors and combustion chamber, which disrupt fuel spray patterns and lead to incomplete combustion. This results in reduced engine power, sluggish throttle response, higher fuel consumption, rough idling, and increased exhaust emissions. Traditional cleaning methods are often time-consuming and ineffective, leaving residues behind while increasing labor costs and downtime. Without proper cleaning, these issues can worsen, causing injector wear, decreased engine efficiency, and expensive repairs. That's why we need Diesel Injector Cleaning Tool. Its fine mist delivery system maximizes cleaning effectiveness, while the clear barrel design allows technicians to monitor the process in real time for better control and accuracy. The tool is also designed for quick and easy connection, minimizing setup time and maximizing workshop productivity. It not only enhances performance but also helps extend injector lifespan by preventing clogging, reducing wear and ultimately lowering maintenance costs and reducing vehicle downtime.